Hi, today I'm making chicken kebabs and yellow rice. I'd start with just vegetables that I like, mushrooms, zucchini, bell peppers, anything of your choice. I use two marinated chicken thighs. I cut those and, trim the fat off. And then I'm going to actually skewer those. So you skewer those basically any way that you like in any combination. Add Italian seasoning, pepper, and seasoned salt to your taste. I also use Zatarain's yellow rice because it's a very easy rice to make. The only difference that I believe that I add to the rice is that I actually add green onions. It does come completely seasoned, but I do like the flavor of fresh green onions in it, and so I add that while the rice is cooking. As you can see, this is a very simple recipe. It's about 20 minutes to cook it. It's about 30 minutes to cook the kebabs. And once the rice is done, this is a little bit about what it looks like. The kebabs, when they're ready to go, you can add those to the top of the rice, and the whole dish takes 30 minutes. And so this is a nice weeknight meal.